What is up, Florida Outdoors people? Welcome back to the Florida Outdoorsman channel. Who is excited for another Florida Outdoorsman video? I know every single person that is watching this video, yes, even you right there, you know exactly who I'm talking about. I'm talking about you. Don't pretend I'm not. Anyway, so, as you can see, we got all the fishing rods. Yeah, I think you can see it down there too. But we got the crab traps. Make sure I still have it. Yep. We are gonna be spending 24 hours on this boat. So time check for you. It is 8:30 in the morning. We are going to be here until 8:30 tomorrow morning. We're gonna sleep on the boat. We're gonna catch crabs, hopefully the good kind. And then we are going to try and catch the mackerel. I'm going to eat whatever I catch. Unless I catch nothing, then I am gonna call up my girlfriend and have her bring me food because she is amazing and she for some reason stays around. I don't know why. You guys can ask her yourself. Anyway, let's get into it, guys. We're gonna pull out the crab traps first and then we're gonna go offshore and see if we can't get some mackerel. All right, see ya. All right, y'all, so frozen dog food going in the trap. We're just trying for some blue crab. We'll see. We'll pull the traps tonight. So let's cut this in half and toss it in. Well, didn't really go in half. If we had old Rusty Trusty, I could guarantee crabs, but we don't have old Rusty Trusty, so I'm not guaranteeing any blue crabs in this trap, especially with the fact that the bait already looks like it's falling out. So let's toss this. All right, 9 feet of water. Move on down a little bit. There are a ton of crab traps around here, so I'm gonna say that it's good. I mean, we did get the one blue last week, so it's gotta be good, right? Right? Please tell me I'm right. Well, the pelican sure wants our crab trap. I think that should be far enough. Trap going in for the water. We sank good. Now let's get out of here, guys. I'll see you guys offshore.
Fans of the military sci-fi action games have been big.
Got bumped. I don't know. All right, I'm not gonna check it right now. There's something there, I think. I don't know, I can't tell. Just gonna throw it in neutral just to be safe. This lure that I'm using is not the greatest when it comes to reeling in. It's kind of a heavy lure, but I feel like there's something there. Yeah, I feel something. What the freak is that? We caught a I think this lure is only good for lizard fish. Oh, my arms are tired from this one. A lizardfish. Huh. Well, like I said, I did see the rod bouncing. I just didn't expect it to be a lizardfish. That's weird. Also, I'm changing that lure. That thing sucks to reel in. I think he was on there for a little bit. All right, I hooked it off screen, but there was some stuff busting around the front of the boat. Huh. Took me like 12 casts just to even come and get something to bite. I had to make it go down real deep. I had to let it sink, I should say. What is that? Blue runner? We're gonna keep that for bait. We're gonna put that guy on the surface. All right, let's find this bottom here. Nice little blue runner. I know I didn't really show it to you, but I'm just gonna say probably just below me, considering we got that blue runner. So let's try and drop a bottom rod. All right, we found the little mound. Nothing seems to want to bite just yet. We're sitting right here. There's fish all around us, it looks like. All right, let's reel this back up. See if it took our bait. With all the little nibbles, probably. Yep, they took our bait. All right, so we're gonna stop here and see if we can't get anything pulled off the bottom. I'm gonna go set out the anchor real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna set out the anchor. We're gonna toss this blue runner out. And okay, I see how we're drifting. All right, I'll meet up with you guys in a minute. Well, bottom fishing didn't really work out, but at least we can play with these little blue runners up top. They're kind of fun on light tackle. Plus, they'll be good for shark bait later on. They're just all around fun. See if we can't get some more. They are just right next to the boat. Gotcha plug got messed up. If I didn't mention it, bottom fishing, not very fun. Just all little small baits. Or small baits, little small fish. Some more blue runners over here. Oh, there's a bunch of dolphins around too. Not the colorful kind, but the steal your fish kind, porpoise kind. All right, guys, I'll update you if we get anything else. Look at all the dolphins, guys. See if they'll come up right next to the boat. Oh, that's so cool. So far, a good day. Not really anything to write home about. It's kind of just been a trash fish day, but I'm still having fun. I'm gonna head back inshore and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. See ya. All right, y'all. So as you can see, we're back inshore. Kind of look like clouds were building. So I'm like, let's go back in. I didn't pull crab traps just yet. We're gonna let them soak for a little bit longer. Time check for you. I think it's like noon or 1. So good time. The squid keeps getting bit by something. I don't know what it is, but it's getting bit by something. And now that's getting bit. Alright, well, whatever it is, stop taking it. Whatever. Let's cast it out. Only thing you can do is keep trying to catch whatever it is. All right, well, really just wanted to give you guys an update of being inshore, but here we are. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. See ya. All right. So I don't know what we got on. We got something on. Probably a catfish or something. Big old sail cat. I've never wanted anything more than a sail cat. Thank you for biting, Mr. Sail Cat. You're my hero. Alright, whatever. Get this thing unhooked and I don't know. I was really hoping for a shark or something, but no, it's gotta be a sail cat. Alright, nice big old trashy sail cat. Yeah, I'm sure you can eat them. I'm not gonna. That's what I've heard. Let's get rid of this guy. Slime everywhere! Yay, slime! Oh good, somebody's calling me at least. Alright, back to fishing these rocks. Alright, update for you guys. Not really a whole lot, as you can see. We didn't get anything on the, while we were sitting here. Phone's about dead. Been watching a lot of TV while I waited, but figured I'd give you guys this update. Wind picked up, tide changed, and yeah, now we are just heading back. I think we might pull the crab traps real quick, see how they're doing, and if there's anything in there, we'll leave them in that spot. If not, we're gonna go move them to where we were at when we were getting all those crab bites. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, first trap. First trap. And nothing. All right. Keep that one just in case. All right, we're gonna keep that one there. We're gonna move it to the other spot where we were at earlier. And let's see about this other one. All right. Second trap. Let's see how this goes. Nothing in this one either. So we're gonna move it to a different spot. Meet up with you guys in a bit. All right, I don't know how well you can hear me. Actually, I got a lot better once I stopped moving, but this wind is still kind of bad. This wind makes things a little rough for me. But we got one trap out. Let's try and get another one out. All right, trap number 2 going in the water. Dang it. That was upside down. Let me fix this and I'll catch up with you guys later. All right, y'all. I don't know how well you can see me, but something just took the shark rod. Doesn't feel very big, so it's probably not a shark. But it took off pretty good. Sounding very catfish-like. Oi! Oh, the big old sail cat, guys. Big old sail cat. You guys can't really see it very well, but it is there. Oh, and it came down. All right, and now it's in the boat. Big old chunky fat boy. Oi, get away from me. Again, I don't know how you guys can see this, but oh yeah, away we go. Oh my gosh, water everywhere. All right, y'all, let's get this shark rod set back out. Like I said, we're out here camping for the night. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Oh my God, why is this squirming so much? Oh.
Woo. We got us a shark. All right, guys, well, I'm shirtless, and we got us a shark.
Oh.
Oh yeah, Maya's here too.
Oh, hey, you guys. It's 10:26.
It's 10:26 at night. We're sitting here watching TV shows, getting ready to go to bed, and now we're catching sharks.
Think it's dead?
Nope. Ooh, got hookers in there good.
They really wanted that fish.
Look at that shark, baby. You want to hold him?
No.
Come
I
here.
just want to touch him. Wait.
He can't hurt you.
You sure?
Yep.
Sorry.
Here, come here and hold him.
No, I don't want to hold him.
Come
Let
here.
me just pet him. I want to pet him. Are we going to keep him?
No.
We got. Oh, we can't throw him back in the water because he's slimy.
We're going to throw him back in the water.
No, let's keep him.
No.
You don't want to like touch, feed him, eat him?
No.
You can't eat shark? Why
We
is
can.
it so
We're going to let him
slimy?
go, though.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna let him go.
All right. Here's a cool thing, though. I'm going to show Maya. This way, smooth. Now, go this way and then go this way.
Okay.
You're fine.
It
Got
is
a set.
very
Smooth. Now go the other way.
Ah! What is that?
It's his skin. Smooth, scratchy.
Why is it like that?
Because they got tiny little scales.
That is nasty. Well, it's not nasty. It's very cool.
It is.
All right, I want to hold him now.
All right. So grab a hold of this.
He's not gonna bite me, right?
He won't. Give me this and grab a hold of his tail.
You got it.
All right. Well, we're not going to torture this shark.
Okay.
We're gonna let him go.
Yeah. Let him go.
All right.
Yeah.
Little black tip.
All right.
Fun little camping trip, and he is very upset. And it is a female.
Oh, I'm so sorry, baby girl.
All right. And shark go. Woo! It took off. And that, even though you guys can't see me, because you know somebody's not holding the light on me.
Sorry.
And that, guys, is what happens when you're out camping with Florida Outdoorsman.
You.
All right, y'all. Welcome to day 2. I know y'all are happier that I'm wearing a shirt now because that was rough last night getting the shark. We're approaching the first crab trap. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I am tired. I'm ready to just pull this crab trap, go in. So let's get this guy up, shall we? All right. This is where we were getting all those crab bites, so it's gotta be good, right? And no crabs. Well, that'll make my girlfriend happy that I don't have crabs. All right, next trap, guys. All right, approaching crab trap number 2. How many crabs do you think we're gonna get, baby?
2.
She says 2. My money's on none, but hopefully she's right. But if not, we still had a great time, didn't we, honey?
Absolutely.
All right, fingers crossed. Knock on the boat. Let's see what we got. All right, crab trap coming up. Coming up. We got no crabs. A bunch of shells. got shells. Oh well. Well, folks, there you have it. Let's get back to the storage unit because I got a lot of work to do. So does Miss Fancy Pants Too Good for Camera down there. So we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. See ya. All right, y'all. Sorry, just got out of the shower. As you can see, we're back at the house. I hope you enjoyed this journey. It was a lot of fun. Me and Maya had a great time. Caught that nice shark. I don't know how good the footage actually looked because I haven't edited the video yet, but hopefully we got something good. All right, but you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. Always remember, if you ain't wet, you ain't fishing in Florida. See ya. Oh man, guys, I got my hat wet.